Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, how are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, I think you are continuing your studies, keeping yourself in the residence. This class is for second year students of intermediate class. My dear students, in the last class I discussed about the correct form of verbs. Today you are watching a passage on the whiteboard. I will discuss about that passage. Now we read the passage once there lived. This once means a previous incident. That is why we will have to use the past indefinite form, live. Once there lived, the correct form of verb live, you will have to write lived because of the previous incident, past incident. Once there lived an idle king. He do not undergo. As it is a past incident, you will have to use simple past form. Means not undergo means did not undergo. He did not undergo physical labor. As a result, he get bulky. All the incidents are from previous incidents, previous happenings. That is why you will have to use generally past form. Get bulky means got bulky. He got bulky means he grow fat and could not move from one place to another. He called in a doctor. As it is a simple past tense, you will have to use number D, called. The correct form of verb will be called instead of call. As it is a simple past tense, you will have to use called in the answer of the D option. He called in a doctor. The doctor be verb, you know the past form of be verb will be was were. As the subject form is single, the singular number, you will have to use the doctor was. The answer of the E option will be was instead of be. As it is a past form, you will have to use the doctor was very clever and wise. He did not prescribe. You are watching that prescribe. The verb form is prescribe. He did not. Here you are watching that did not is a past form and double past form will not be used. That is why the answer of the F option will be only prescribed. The bracket form will be removed and you will have to give answer prescribed. F option answer you will have to write prescribed. He did not prescribe any medicine for the king. He asked the king to buy a glove and G option move. And move means he asked the king to buy. Here an infinitive is used to buy a glove and to move it in the air. This is to buy a glove and to move it in the air. You will have to give answer in the G option to move or where move, that both are correct. To move or move it in the air till his hands get moistured. Get moistured means got moistured. As it is a previous incident, you will have to use simple past form. The simple past form of get is got. Till his hands got moistured. The king started. Started is a verb. You know, if there is more than one verb in a simple sentence, the next verb or double verb, you will have to use ing or infinitive. That is why you will have to use to follow. To follow. The king started to follow the prescription. Thus, the king relieved. Relieved. You will this sentence you will have to use passive form. Passive form. The king. This is a simple past form of passive form. This is why you will have to write the answer of this sentence. Was relieved. Was relieved. The passive form, you know, if a sentence is passive form, then the verb form always will be past participle form, and an auxiliary verb you will have to use, and the auxiliary verb you will have to use here is was. The king was relieved of his problem. You will have to practice more and more passages from your grammatical books. Then the item will be very clear, more clear. My dear students, I think you will be try to keep yourself in the residence as far as possible, and if you go outside of your residence, you will always use mask and always maintain social distance and all the rules of health. Thanking you all. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.
দেখি গেছে গেছে